We have an old Stark County bus here. This is I believe, a CE-300. I don't know. CE-200. I don't think this one's got power. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oh, never mind. 126,836 miles. Oh! Oh, I'm impressed. Oh, I'm impressed. Allison 2500 PTS transmission. Sure, this one's got all incandescent stop arm. This one's all incandescent, I'm pretty sure. No radio. I'm gonna do a light check. Gonna do a lamp check here. It was Osnaburg, I believe, local school district, Muskingum County, or Stark County. Runs pretty well. Stop arm, I'm sure, strobing LED. Impressive.